Let's take a look at service management and culture. In service marketing and management, the theme of organizational culture appears to be of particular relevance. Service marketing is based on an assumption that services have certain unique characteristics that distinguish them from physical products, and therefore specific problems with manufacturing enterprises avoid. Services are non-tangible, they're not goods, and they can't be stored, and most services consist of actions and interactions between the seller and the buyer. Social process is significant. The marketing function is not restricted to a special marketing and sales department, but also permeates the area of the company which products and services are found. All this means that organizational culture takes on high relevance as a theme for management control and as a way into understanding this kind of business and the management of it. In many forms of service work, the nurturing of the right mindset is an important managerial task, and here the culture concept becomes useful. Expressions of organizational culture can also be used directly for marketing purposes. Employees are often used in order to communicate the corporate and product brand. Cultural assumptions, aspirations, and ideas influence how elements in the marketing world are constructed.